Now the next question of exercise 4.2, that is question number 5. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. There is a right triangle, its altitude means perpendicular is 7 centimeter less than its base and the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. Find the other two sides. Now listen. Question number 5. There is a right triangle. Let it is A, it is B, it is C. Length of hypotenuse is given, that is 13 cm. Now altitude perpendicular is 7 cm less than its base. So we can assume base as x centimeter. So altitude will be 7 cm less, so it will be x minus 7 cm. Is it clear? Now we can apply Pythagoras property because it is a right triangle. Clear? So let base of triangle be x centimeter. So altitude, which is called perpendicular also, it is 7 centimeter less than its base. So x minus 7. And hypotenuse is given 30. So in triangle ABC by Pythagoras property or theorem, we can say hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse is the side opposite to right triangle, that is AC. So AC square will be equal to base square plus perpendicular square, AB square. AC square, that is 13 square, BC x square plus AB is x minus 7 whole square. 13 square is what? 169 square of x square, it is a minus b whole square. So a square minus 2ab, 2 into 7, 14 into x, 14x plus b square, 7 square is 49. This 169 can be shifted there. So x square plus x square, it is twice of x square minus 14x plus 49. This minus 169 will be negative. Minus 169 is equal to 0. Is it clear? Now 2x square minus 14x and 49 minus 169, it is 120. Negative 120 is equal to 0. Is it clear? Now 2 is common in all the terms, so we can divide each and every term by both sides by 2. So it will be only x square, it will be 14 upon 2, 7x, and it will be 60 is equal to 0. Now we have to split the 7. Clear? So 12 5s are 60 and 12 minus 5, that is 7. So x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0. We can make pairs of first two and last two. In first two, x is common, so it will be x minus 12. Now plus 5 is common, so it is x minus 12 equal to 0. Is it clear? Now x minus 12, x minus 12, it is common. So remaining will be x plus 5 equal to 0. So x minus 12 equal to 0 and x plus 5 equal to 0. From this the value of x will be 12 and from this the value of x will be minus 12. We cannot take this value because the value of x is negative and x cannot be negative because it is the length of base. base cannot be negative, or we can say length cannot be negative. Clear? So we are taking this value x equal to 12. What was x? X was base. So we can say, so length of base it is 12 centimeter, and length of altitude it will be x minus 7, that means 12 minus 7, which is 5 centimeter. Is it clear? So it is the question number 5. Now question number 6. A cottage industry produces a certain number of poetry articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. Now listen. First we are assuming that number of articles produced. We are talking about a particular day. Number of articles produced be x. Clear? So according to question, cost of each article is 3 more than twice the number of articles. So number of articles x, twice will be 2x, and 3 more than, so plus 3. Now we have given, according to question, we have given total cost. It is already given in the question, that is rupees 90. So how can we find total cost? So number of articles will be multiplied by cost of each article. And it is already given, that is 90. Number of articles is x and cost of each article is 2x plus 3 is equal to 90. Now we can solve this equation. X multiplied 2x, it is 2x square. X multiplied 3, it is 3x, and this 90 will be shifted in left hand side, so it will be negative, equal to 0. Now we have to solve it. Splitting the middle term, we will use splitting the middle term method. So we have to split the 3 so that addition and subtraction should be 3, but the product should be 90 into 2, that is 180. So if you don't know which will be two numbers, so we can find prime factors of 180. So it will be this one. So you can see it is 5 into 3, 15, and it is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 15. By 12 and 15 we can get 3, because 15 minus 12 is 3, and product should be 180. Clear? So the numbers are 12 and 15. So it is 2x square, 3x, positive 3x can be written as 15x minus 12x, and minus 90 is equal to 0. We can make pairs of first two and last two. So it is 2x, sorry, only x is common. So it will be 2x plus 15 minus 6 can be taken as common. So it will be also 2x plus 15 equal to 0. Now 2x plus 15, 2x plus 15. It is common. So 2x plus 15 and it is x minus 6 equal to 0. So once we can do 2x plus 15 equal to 0 and other side x minus 6 will be equal to 0. If we want to find the value of x from this side, so the value of x will be minus 15 upon 2. This value will not be taken because what was x? X was number of articles, and number of articles cannot be the fractional or cannot be negative. Clear? So this value will not be taken. From here the value of x will be 6. This value will be taken, and what was x? X was number of articles produced. So we can say number of articles is equal to 6 and cost of each article, it will be 2x plus 7, that means 2 into 6 plus 7. So 2 into 6, sorry, plus 3. So 2 into 6, it is 12 plus 3, it will be rupees 15. Is it clear?